Hi there, I am from Lucas Fox here, and welcome to Mirabella Hills. Mirabella Hills is a boutique development consisting only of detached villas. So we are actually in one of the final remaining units that are still for sale, and every unit here is ready to move in. The community is being used already, people around us have already moved in. There's only a couple of villas left, so if you want more info, just stick with us and I'll give you some more info at the end. Alright, so that was it for today for Mirabella Hills. There's just a couple of units left. All of them are completely ready to move into. Same number of bedrooms and bathrooms. The only difference is the views and if there's a garage inside or on the outside. Prices go from about 2.2 million up to 3.5 million. But if you want the complete details on that, just give me a call or go to our website www.lucasfox.com, and see you next time.